Come and explore as we get captivated by the mesmerizing dance of sardines. Hey everyone! Before we proceed on our sardinerun adventure, I'd like to share with you a quick aerial view of where we stayed at Moalboal, Cebu.
Guys, luto na yung order. Yung silog.
Let's dive in and enjoy the intricate sardine run and rich marine ecosystem of Moalboal. The Sardine Run is located just offshore of Moalboal on the island of Cebu. The sardines usually gather around Panagsama Beach. Did you know that Moalboal Sardine Run is the second largest in the world, next to South Africa? Moalboal Sardine Run may be lacking in size, but it makes up for its accessibility and experience. And have you ever wondered why sardines form together in a spherical cluster? Sardines gathering together is a remarkable marine phenomenon which is called bait ball. This is their defense mechanism so that fewer of their kinds gets exposed during the feeding frenzy of their predators like dolphins, sea lions, and bigger fishes. So, how many fish are in a bait ball? A bait ball may be 25 to 50 feet in diameter and contains hundreds of thousands of fish. Last thing, when is the best time to go on a sardine run adventure? Of course, the best time to go is when the weather is sunny and there is less current so that the school of sardines will be visible and you can have your photo op and video moments. If you're a solo traveler, you can join a tour and ask your guide kindly to take your photograph or video. So that's it. I hope this bit of info helps you. Thank you for listening and enjoy the rest of the video.
Jitle ba sa jit?